or hard to believe. I found you temporarily insane. Make it more dramatic, like in movies. I would like to have you beside me, next to me, completely hypothetical. Maybe you want to be by yourself. I'm just trying to exist more human than human. If you could only see what I've seen with your eyes. If only you could see what I've seen with your eyes. Let's make our own movies. You're my best friend. I would like to have you next to me.